some water. Let's change the dress. It's better? So, what is up with the Quiver Club? Let's see. Last time I checked, it was not too good. Okay. Oh, where's my water? Hello, is anybody home? No one is at home. Great. Okay, so what is this? Sound, crazy sound. Okay, so I've already subscribed to a Quiver Club. Let's just go ahead.
Watching AC, and today I found out about this mysterious sound made by this fidget spinner. I don't know it happens with other fidget spinner too or not, so let's check it out. First, you have to keep it on a plain surface and then give it a spin. 1, 2, 3.
The thing goes grrrr, skibby keep pop pop, and the poop poop boom, skia, boom boom. The thing goes grrrr.
See, I was talking about that sound. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did so, give it a like, share it among your friends and family to let them know about it. I'm not giving any like limit on this one. The next video will be on fidget spinner tricks. Stay tuned and subscribe to watch it.
This is Roger Simon and we're reporting from LA. We just got it through the Quiver Club headquarters. We found out that they're planning for a dead mission. Over.